Stellaluna. I guess you're not the world's worst bird after all.
I think I'm just better at being a bat. I wish you guys could see in the dark.
We wish you could land on your feet.
I wonder how it is that we're all so different.
And yet, so alike.
It's a mystery.
But we're all friends, and that's a fact.
Thanks. Winter, we can talk.
I always knew you were a late bloomer. You have quite a family. So do you.
We'll see you soon, right, Stellaluna?
Of course we will. Won't we?
Definitely.